Now I'd like to talk about how to grip the sticks. If you remember from before, we stood up straight and had our arms at our side. That's a good place to start. Well, let's talk a little bit more detail. I've got the sticks in my hand, and now I want to show you how they work. Every snare drum stick has what's called a fulcrum, and I like to think of it as something like a teeter-totter. It turns the stick into a lever, and with the leverage, you can create force. So the fulcrum starts with your thumb and your index finger on the stick, and then you support the stick with your next 2 or 3 fingers. The stick should go right into your lifeline, right there, pointed at your elbow. And from there, you've got a lot of leverage. You hold it lightly, hands relaxed, wrists relaxed, forearms relaxed, and you can play anything from there. This is called the matched grip. There's another grip that a lot of great drummers use, which is the same right hand, but a different left hand. This is called traditional grip, and this grip was developed in the days when soldiers marched. They had the drum on their side like this, and they would play like this. But a lot of, particularly jazz drummers, but a lot of players of all styles still use a traditional grip. In traditional grip, there's a fulcrum, just like in the matched grip, but it's in a different place. You put the stick in this little V between your thumb and your index finger. And from there, I can go like that. And there's your fulcrum. And then these 2 fingers fold over the top of the stick, and the last 2 stay under the stick. And it works like this. That's the traditional grip.